Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. Dear friends, today we are going to learn animal words in Malayalam. How to say animals in Malayalam. And before we start, I would like to tell you, animal is mrigam. Animal is mrigam in Malayalam. Animals are mrigangal. 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 And also I would like to let you know that we are focusing on the vocabulary here because once I said bat as a bird in one of the videos and someone was totally disturbed because of that, because bat is a mammal. But don't concentrate on the scientific part of it, just focus on the vocabulary. We are trying to learn more words in Malayalam. Okay, so let's get started. First one is cow. Cow is pashu. 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 So even though SH is written, it is not pashu, it is pashu. Pashu. Pashu is cow. Next is goat. Goat is aad. 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 Goat is aad. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep is chemmariyadu. 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 Dog. Dog is either patti or naya. Patti or naya. Naya, patti. It's both dog. Cat is poocha. Cat is poocha. 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 Pig is panni. Pig is panni. 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 It is na. Panni. Pig is panni. Deer is man. Deer is man. 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 Bear. Bear is karadi. 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 Bear is karadi. Horse. Horse is kudira. 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 Horse is kudira. Mouse. Mouse is eli. Mouse is eli. Eli. Eli is mouse. Monkey. Monkey is kurangu. Kurangu. Monkey is kurangu. Sometimes you will hear also kurangan, implying it is a male monkey. Kurangan. Sometimes people try, if it is a female one, people try to say kurangi. But kurangu is the common word for monkey. Kurangu is monkey. Elephant. Elephant is ana. Elephant is ana. I think you have already learned this word in some other chapters. So elephant is ana. Ana. Fox. Fox is kurukan. Fox is kurukan. 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 Fox is kurukan. Lion. Lion is simham. Lion is simham. Simham. Simham is lion. Tiger. Tiger is puli. Tiger is puli. 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 Puli is tiger. Wolf. Wolf is chennaya. Wolf is chennaya. 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 So you remember the word naya for dog. So this is chennaya. 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 Donkey. Donkey is karuda. Donkey is karuda. 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 Donkey is karuda. Hyena. Hyena is, interestingly, karudapuli. Karudapuli. So we learned Karuda is donkey and Puli is tiger. And I have no idea how this animal got this name, Karuda Puli. Karuda Puli. So is it like a donkey tiger? I have no idea, but that is what it is called in Malayalam. Karuda Puli. Karuda Puli. Hyena is Karuda Puli. Crocodile. Crocodile is Mudala. Crocodile is Mudala. 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 Crocodile is Mudala. Mudala. Tortoise. Tortoise is Ama. 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 Tortoise is Ama. Rabbit. Rabbit is Muyal. 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 Rabbit is Muyal. Snake. Snake is Pambu. Snake is Pambu. Snake is Pambu. Snake is Pambu. Pambu. Squirrel. Squirrel is Annan. Squirrel is Annan. 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 Squirrel is Annan. Ox. Ox is Kala. 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 Ox is Kala. Kala. Chameleon. Chameleon is Ond. Ond. Chameleon is Ond. 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 Buffalo. Buffalo is Eruma. Eruma. Buffalo is Eruma. 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 Eruma is buffalo. Camel. Camel is Ottagam. Ottagam. Camel is Ottagam. Ottagam. Porcupine. Porcupine is Mullan Panni. Mullan Panni. So we learned the word Panni for pig. Mullan. Mullan. Mull refers to the quills it has. So the spikes, that is what they are referring to as mull. So Mullan Panni. Mullan Panni. Mullan Panni is porcupine. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is Kandamrugam. 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 Or it is also called a slight difference in pronunciation. You can also say Kanda. So the A sound after Ka, the first letter, it can be Ka. Kandamrugam or Kandamrugam. Both denotes the same animal. Rhinoceros. Kandamrugam. So the last and final one is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is Neer Kudira. Neer Kudira. So Neer refers to water. We all know hippopotamus like to be in water. And Kudira, we learned Kudira is horse. Again, like hyena, I don't know how this word came in, but Neer Kudira is hippopotamus. So those were 30 animals in Malayalam. I'm pretty sure this is a rare find, so do save it. And don't forget to comment, like, share. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Namaskaram.